Hello and welcome from S. Kumaran. In this video, we're going to see how to make Palani Panjamirtham. Panjamirtham is usually made as prasad for Hindu deities, or it might also be used for deities abishegam. Panjamirtham is very popular in southern Indian state Tamil Nadu. Its original recipe was given by great sidhar Bogar. Apparently Panjamirtham has got many health benefits. We can have 1 tablespoon in the morning and in the night every day to gain its health benefits. This will improve our immune system. This will help to increase our body metabolism. This will even help body to fight the fever and reduce the temperature. By having this Panjamirtham daily might even treat the anaemic condition, especially for women. If they have this for at least 2 months, anaemic condition can be treated. Even now in villages around Palani, people make this Panjamirtham during the month of Panguni, the Tamil calendar, which is mid-March to mid-April. This Panguni month is auspicious month for them to make special poojas to Lord Palani. For the puja, they make this Palani Panjamirtham as prasad, which is a 1000-year-old tradition, and they distribute this prasad to everybody to have as a prasad and a medicine as well. They will use this Panjamirtham throughout the year as a prasad as well as health benefit. In Sanskrit, Panja means 5. We use 5 main ingredients to make this Panjamirtham. That's why it's been called as Panjamirtham. It's very easy to prepare, no cooking involved. Let's see how to prepare this Palani Panjamirtham.
In a glass or ceramic bowl, add the bananas broken into small pieces. Traditional hill banana, Malaivariparam, available in Palani, has got good metabolism factor and it will last for even 6 months. So try to use hill banana. If not, use the countryside bananas like Payam, Rastali, red banana. I'm using Manzona bananas, also called as apple banana, available in my local shops in London. Remove the seeds from the dates and cut them into pieces. Add these dates to the bowl. Optionally, I'm adding jackfruit pieces. Remove the seeds and cutting them into small pieces and add to the bowl. Adding jackfruit will give additional health benefits like fights anemia, might reduce the wrinkles, helps building muscles. Crush the rock crystal sugar or diamond sugar crystals into small bits and add them to the mix. Crush or grate pure good quality jaggery. Add the grated jaggery to the mix now. It's good if you have farm jaggery. Add the raisins. Now mash them thoroughly with potato masher or butter churner. Make sure banana, dates and jaggery blend together. We can mash to fine paste or leave with little bits. Add the honey. Add the ghee now. Now fine powder the cardamom and add it to the mix. Add the cooking camphor. Don't add more than a tiny pinch, as excess of this will spoil the taste of the Panjamirtham. You can mix a small pinch of cooking camphor in a teaspoon of water and add the water to the mix so that it blends evenly. This will give divine smell to the mix. Mix them thoroughly and that's it. Now our healthy, tasty and divine Panjamirtham is ready. We can use this Panjamirtham for poojas, prasadam or neivedyam. We can have 1 to 2 spoons daily to get the health benefits. This is not good for people who have diabetic condition. We can store this in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 2 months. The ingredients needed for this recipe are banana, 6 small sized bananas. Traditionally Indian Malay Varaparam, a banana will be used, but we can use any countryside banana like Payam, Rastali, red banana, that is Savare. Make sure it's fully ripe. Dates, organic dried dates, 15 pieces. Palm jaggery, 1 cup. Grated or smashed jaggery, vellam in Tamil. Traditionally palm jaggery will be used. Ghee, 1 cup. Palm rock sugar crystals, 2 tablespoons, or normal diamond sugar crystals. Traditionally palm rock sugar crystals will be used. In Tamil it's called as panang kalkandu. Dried raisins, 1 hour, 2 tablespoons, or 15 pieces as you wish. Cardamom, 5 or 6 pieces. Honey, 2 tablespoons. Cooking camphor, that is pachai karpuram, 1 tiny pinch. Thank you for watching this video. Try this at your home and leave your comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before so that you won't miss our videos. Bye from S. Kumaran.